How to navigate the screens in these next-gen small loaders. There's actually 3 ways to get to a common feature set. The first way, of course, is to reach up to the touch screen, go into the chapter of interest, let's say it's machine, and down to the item of choice, and we can make a customized setting to it. Now, the other way to do this is we can take a shortcut into the machine, straight to the item of interest, and make that adjustment. And the really shortcut way to do it is actually using the information banner, which has given me the main settings like my powertrain mode, my power mode for the engine, my torque for the tires, and which attachment I've got selected. I can easily reach over and just select that guy, which instantly takes me to that item, and I can make that choice. Here again with the wheel torque, I can instantly jump to that item and make that of choice. Now, the other way that you can navigate the screen is through the integrated jog dial, which will be standard equipment when you get a joystick style machine. The jog dial will not be included in single axis lever options. But what that allows me to do is as I steer left, steer right with the jog dial, I can jog left, jog right. I can index 1 up, 1 down, left or right, or I can push to enter. Very intuitive control. So here's an example. I'm into my main chapter, so let me dial over to the display. In this example, I can rotate the jog dial up to what's of interest, clock adjust as an example, and then I can index up and down with the jog dial, or I can turn the jog dial after I've selected to make those choices. I also have here on the jog dial the ability to go straight back a screen. I can go all the way to my home screen, and I can jump straight to information. So very quick, clean way to get to the item of interest through your choice of ways. If you prefer to reach up and touch, or if you prefer just to navigate with the jog dial and leave your elbow anchored. And what I find, pro tip for you, is once you're comfortable with the machine, it's a pretty easy muscle memory to get back to a quick choice selection, like an attachment pick or like a wheel torque change. Really nice feature set, nice integration of controls to the operator in these next-gen small loaders.